Hey everybody, today we're going to take a look at how to connect a safe, also known as a Gnosis Safe, to your colony so that you can control it directly from your DAO. So the first thing you're going to do, as you can see we have our test colony here, we're going to go to New Action, Advanced, and Safe Multi-Sig Control. Then we're going to go to Add a Safe. Now you'll see that the first thing we can select is between Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Those are the two chains that are currently supported. And then we'll see we can add the safe contract address right here. So to get that, we'll have to go over to the Safe app and create our safe. So here we are at app.safe.global. And today we're going to go ahead and create a new safe. So we'll click Create New Safe. We'll give it a name, Colony Test. And we'll make sure to choose the chain we want, and we're going to have that on Ethereum mainnet today. So we'll click Ethereum, and then because we were on Gnosis chain to use Colony, we'll need to switch our MetaMask to Ethereum mainnet now. On this page is where we can add additional owners to the multisig and set our threshold, how many people need to vote to confirm actions in the multisig. It's just me today, so just one owner. And then you can see the summary here, and we'll just click next, and we'll need to confirm the transactions. Will cost a little bit of gas to get that going. All right, so now we've created our safe. You can see the details here, and you can also see the contract address right here. So we can just click copy, and now we will go back over to Colony and paste that information in. So we'll paste it here under add safe contract address. You may need to delete this little ETH prefix, and it will detect that it is a safe found on Ethereum, and click next. Now you'll see some information that we'll need to connect the safe with Colony. So we'll just want to leave this window up and go back to our safe. And then we're going to head over to apps, and we're going to search for Zodiac. This is the module which is going to actually connect the two apps. Zodiac, the expansion pack for DAOs, perfect. Now here in Zodiac, you'll see we have the first option is for a bridge module, and that's what we're going to do. You can see it asks for an AMB contract address, controller contract address, and a chain ID. Well, that's exactly what Colony was just giving us, so we're just going to come back to Colony, copy these addresses in, AMB contract address, controller, and chain ID is 100. So just like that, we will add the module, and we'll need to sign another transaction here to connect those. So now here in Zodiac, we can see our bridge module has been created. We want to go ahead and copy that address to the clipboard, go back to Colony, and paste it here where it asks for our module contract address. Just like that, it will detect that our safe module has been found on Ethereum, and we hit continue. Now is the exciting part. We get to name the safe, test safe, exciting name. And we can also add an explanation on why we're adding the safe. Remember, this is going to create a motion which other people in the DAO can potentially vote on and object to. So you may want to add some justification here. But for today, I'll leave it blank and click Add Safe. Great, so now our safe has been added. So let's see what we can do with it. Let's create a new action. We'll go to Advanced and then Safe Multi-Sig Control and click Control Safe. So now we can select our safe. We have Test Safe and select our transaction type. So we have a few choices here. We can transfer funds just to send some tokens. We can send an NFT. We can do a contract interaction, and we can do a raw transaction. So those last two are advanced features, mainly for developers, but pretty much anything a safe can do, you can initiate here from Colony now. So in this case, we will just transfer some funds, and then now we will see an opportunity to select our token type, select our amount, and our recipient. I'll send some to myself, and I will create that transaction. Now again, we'll get a title and description, send funds to myself, and again, this will create a motion. So once you've confirmed those transactions, you can see our motion has been created. So I can stake it just like any other motion, and as long as no one else objects and stakes an objection, this will go through automatically and automatically execute through the safe this transaction. Now let's take a look at how to remove the safe from our colony. It is super easy. We're just going to go to New Action, Advanced, Multi-sig Control, and Remove Safe. So now you know how to add a safe, control a safe, and remove a safe from your colony. Have fun and stay safe.